Coming to the Developer Days is so great because you meet new people, you meet old friends, and you get to know all the famous people who actually created these cool extensions or comment on your patch or help you on Slack. It's great to meet these people in person.
It's about meeting a lot of people, it's about discussing, it's about learning. So we've just seen a very inspiring keynote. Yeah, I'm looking forward.
I'm also a speaker, I want to share knowledge, I want to inspire people. And following TYPO3, inspiring people to share.
I want to connect with the friends I met during the surf camp and gain new experiences.
The idea of the Developer Days is to come together, share knowledge, learn new things about upcoming versions, features that people might not be aware of, also get in touch with the community and whoever's responsible for creating TYPO3.
I met new people, especially this year. Here are more women and especially more young talents. So I think this is an outcome from the surf camp.
I really liked the organization. I really liked all the talks, all the people, all the participants that were here, the people that participated late night, during the coding night, the contribution night. So basically it was really a great event and I really enjoy the TYPO3 Developer Days. So
I just want to say thank you for all the participants on the Developer Days. It was a great event. Really diverse topics on the sessions. We had young speakers, we had old speakers, we had people returning to the Developer Days. It was just heartwarming, especially seeing the young developers really integrating in the community, and I'm happy to see you all again next year.